I have fish that like them, so I mean they don't probably need them right away. You can get more because they're only really need like 20.
That's funny. Around Mom's face is a black box.
Like
Around Dad's face is a white box.
So that's not.
We had a little longer log.
Yeah. Well, if you get your thing sharpened around.
Yeah, like
Yep.
it is. Wow. It's hard to find.
That's a good picture of Levi. I tried it. They have like a governor on them.
What?
So like when you step on it, they don't. It kind of goes, and then it goes.
Oh, really?
Supposedly they're a good tire.
Yep. Very good tire.
Oh yeah, Cooper's put on my car out there.
Yeah?
Cooper's on your car or your truck?
Cooper's.
What do you think of all your frills? Huh? Hey. Oh no? Yeah, yeah. Really cute. Happy Easter. I think so.
Ready, set, Isaac. Isaac, look it over here.
Go find them.
Look it over here. Here, Isaac. What's in that pot? Egg. An egg. Gotta go look for some more.
I found the egg!
Put it in your pail.
Put it in.
Wow.
Holy Toledo, what is that?
I guess it's your head. Math.
That is something else.
That's from a mare.
That's kind of cool, actually.
Whoa.
Or is it supposed to go like this? Hey, wait, go like this.
Crocodile.
You can just keep that.
Yes.
Oh.
Good job,
I found one.
Yes.
Who likes pudgy pies? Look for it. He's got this nose.
There, I found one.
Look on the other
Look on
side.
the other side of the
Look
bush.
on the other side of the bush.
Yep, what do you really like?
Ah!
What do you put the pudgy pies in? No, but what do you make them in?
You don't stick them there in there with your hand, do you? What do you hold?
There's, I don't know what they're called, but I know.
Where are those things? Maybe.
They're over there.
Yeah.
Hey, Isaac. Come here. Oh, that one got crushed.
Pudgy pies do that.
Buddy,
Where's another one for me?
keep looking. You're doing good.
Levi.
Two.
Okay.
And you got
Yeah, there's something in there. We'll find out later.
What?
You climb it? Get that? Do you want to get my shoulders? You ready? I'm not going to get it. Ready? Okay, I'm going to set you down.
It's a ring pop.
Is it? A pop?
Are you getting mean to yourself?
Yeah, it's like my knee. Whacking it.
Oh, that was nice.
Cool.
I got one. I got one.
Isaac! What just hit you? Almost hit you on the head.
I like how he says, aha.
What is that?
What go is this? What thing is this?
I think it's for floating, for swimming.
Ooh, cool. What?
He already got one of those.
Where? What?
Keep going.
I want all these lights.
Okay.
That's a full bucket.
Oh, the other one?
Can you help me put it in here?
Yep. You gotta keep.
I got a blue glow stick.
Buddy! See that? There's one.
Where?
Isaac!
Where'd that come from?
I don't know. What is?
Oh, that was
I got it first. What?
You guys got a lot of eggs.
I got a lot more than Isaac.
Isaac is still missing his bucket from the mare.
There's another one.
The mare got you a whole bucket.
I see a couple right now.
You have to find it.
Keep coming.
What?
Isaac, try and balance on this.
Ah! Where did that come from?
Comes from the plastic egg goose.
Hey, where do birds get wet?
By Casey's horse.
Oh, me too. Oh, here, Isaac. Okay, here's a soccer one. Thank you. You're welcome.
frogs?
What?
Hey, Isaac, do you like frogs?
Hey, mister.
That is a full bucket.
I did.
What is that?
Can you do this? What is it?
I don't know.
I think they're armbands to...
Oh, they're for swimming.
I'm coming. Where is some?
I think they might almost be done.
Can you get me some more?
Make sure, right?
Are you going to share any of that?
Hey, can you hold this?
You're supposed to wear it.
It's a mask when you want to pretend to be a dinosaur.
Hey. Hey, chocolate. What? Hey, here's a shovel. Mommy, here's a shovel. Can you take the shovel out? A teddy bear.
You know what it is?
What?
It's for in the bathtub to wash up with. It's a washing bear.
Yeah. Can you see? This
So
is
now
a
you can
shovel.
wash yourself up instead of mommy washing you up. How's that sound?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good idea? Okay. Guys, Easter egg stuff.
Thank you. Thank you.